Hello my friend, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are talking about 9 weight loss mistakes that you're making and how to succeed and get results. So if you are sick and tired of not getting the results that you are looking for on your weight loss journey, then stay tuned for this video because I'm going to teach you exactly the mistakes you're making and how to succeed. The number one mistake that you are making is your diet and lifestyle is inflammatory. It's causing just chronic cycles of inflammation in the body. When there's these chronic cycles of inflammation going on in the body, it becomes very difficult to lose weight because the body is not prioritizing weight loss. It's prioritizing trying to reduce inflammation. So how can we solve this? By following an anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle. An anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle is going to help improve the health of our GI tract, improve liver function, and also improve our hormone function, all which is going to make it much easier to lose weight. I'm telling you, many people online are teaching a way to lose weight that is just an uphill battle. I have done every diet. I'm coming from a bodybuilding background, and I'm also a registered holistic nutritionist. And what I've learned on my journey of achieving sustainable weight loss is following an anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle. This is the most supportive diet to long-term health and weight loss. What we want to do is we want to follow a diet that focuses on the following foods. We want to eat lots of leafy green vegetables, a rainbow of veggies, but we want to eat tons of green veggies, half of our plate at our meals, ideally. We want to eat lots of good quality, healthy fats, avocado, coconut oil, coconut cream, soaked nuts and seeds, nut butters. We want to extra virgin olive oil. We want to eat clean, antibiotic and hormone-free animal products or wild fish, or if you're vegetarian, some good options are hemp, pea, and pumpkin protein, and of course there's protein in nuts and stuff like that. And then for our carbohydrate options, stuff like squash, sweet potato, a little bit of brown rice, blue corn here and there, berries, fruit that's in season. So if we wanna fill our diet with these foods, and what I recommend you do is you do 30 to 90 days just strict on this program. And then if you want to start introducing some of the treat foods that you like once a week, like maybe you love pasta or, whatever you like, just doing that maybe once a week after 1 to 3 month period. I find that works really well for weight loss. And it also just gives your body enough time to really reduce inflammation so you can start experiencing these weight loss benefits. This kind of a lifestyle is so supportive to long-term weight loss. I have experienced transformation from this lifestyle. I mean, I've been able to change the weight that my body will naturally gravitate to by about 15 to 20 pounds. And I just find it much easier to stay lean now. And that's also because this diet supports the healthy functioning of our GI tract, and it provides a lot of nourishing nutrients that really nourish the gut lining. Also helps to support liver detoxification, because if we have unhealthy hormones, then that can make it difficult to lose weight also. So we really want to be following a diet and lifestyle that really supports hormone function, supports liver detoxification, and supports GI tract health. And an anti-inflammatory diet does that. How can we support the liver to detoxify? Anti-inflammatory diet, we can drink dandelion root tea, we can take milk thistle. Coffee enemas are amazing for supporting liver detoxification. I'll leave a video here to learn more about that. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. This is not medical advice, but it's something that I and also many of my clients have had incredible results with. The thing is if our liver is backed up, it can make it difficult for the body to recycle excess estrogen. And when we have too much estrogen in the body, that can also make weight loss difficult, right? This goes back to hormones. So supporting our liver in detoxifying is very important for really successful, truly sustainable long-term weight loss, not just lose weight and then gain it all back. Next mistake is you're eating too much sugar. So where is sugar? Where is sugar hiding? Dried fruit, high glycemic fruit like bananas, pineapples, dried fruit, raisins, mangoes, sauces. Often sauces are full of sugar, so you want to start reading ingredient labels. Where else is sugar hiding? Drinks. You know, sugar is in everything, and if you're really serious about long-term weight loss, you need to cut sugar out of your diet and just make it an occasional thing. But the great thing is there's great alternatives to sugar that you can use to sweeten up some of your foods. Some of my favorites are like a really good quality liquid stevia and also erythritol. That's an alcohol sugar. I really like the brand Lakanto. It's erythritol and monk fruit. I don't recommend you consume erythritol every day, but it's okay if it's a few times a week, and it really does taste like sugar. So those are gonna be some great alternatives. It can be used for baking. And we wanna get stuff like juice out of our diet. You do not want to be consuming these sugary drinks. This is going to be just really counterproductive in helping you reach your weight loss goals. Next, you're doing too much cardio and not enough weights. If you really want to achieve truly sustainable weight loss, you need to start doing resistance training. I recommend if you are a beginner, you start with a full body program for 3 or 4 months just to get used to the weight training, and then you start splitting up your body parts. There's so many benefits of weight training, not just from an aesthetic perspective, but just from a health perspective, for increasing bone density and increasing circulation and reducing your chance of many health problems just from working out. More calories are required to maintain muscle than to maintain fat. So by increasing your muscle mass, this is going to help you to reduce fat naturally. I'm not saying don't do cardio, but definitely be doing cardio after your weight training. If you want to do 30 minutes of jogging, or if you want to add HIIT training into your workout a couple of times a week, that can be really effective for helping to catapult weight loss. The great thing about HIIT training is if you do it, you're actually gonna continue burning more calories throughout a 24-hour period. So that can be really effective to add into your routine a couple of times a week. And also walking. Walking is an amazing weight loss tool, I am telling you. If you can fit in just as much walking as possible, just any opportunity you have to walk, do it. Try to drive less and walk more. If you can get in like a couple of hours of walk on your day off, this is going to be an incredible weight loss tool for you. Or always take the stairs instead of the elevator. Just find a way to walk more. This is gonna make a huge difference over time. Next is overeating. It's so easy to overeat and to eat more than we really need to. So what I recommend doing over a period of time, not forever, is to track what you're eating. You can use an app like MyFitnessPal. I'll stick a video up here to show you exactly how to track and log your macros in MyFitnessPal. Like I said, I don't recommend you do this forever. I don't recommend that you become obsessed with the amount of food you're eating, but it is a good exercise to help you really learn what correct portion sizes look like for you. We don't need to eat until we're stuffed. We should just finish eating until we're satisfied, because the stretch receptor muscles in your stomach actually take 20 minutes beyond when you're full to really truly let you know that you're full. So it's easy to overeat. So that can be a great tool for you on your weight loss journey that's really gonna teach you correct portion sizes. Number 7 mistake is you are doing too much snacking. You want to get away from snacking. 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maybe 1 snack is fine. But you know, when you're just like in a rush and you're hungry and you're just grabbing these sugary snacks, this is just the bane of your weight loss process, okay? You want to avoid this at all costs. So how can we do this? Well, you need to be more prepared with your meals. So maybe what you can do is start doing some batch cooking. Like on the weekend, cook a big pot of stew so that you have something in the fridge that you can easily heat up and eat for, 4 days. Maybe you freeze half of it so you can have the first batch for 4 days and the second batch for the next 4 days. You've got dinners for a week. You can cook a pound of animal protein, have that ready in the fridge. So you can just divide that up, put it into containers, and then take your meals with you. If you're working 8 hours a day, you just need to prep your meals and bring them with you. You just need to dedicate to that process, because that's really what it takes to lose weight, okay? Is being prepared. You can bake a couple of sweet potatoes. You can have a few ripe avocados in the fridge. A pound of, wild fish or meat is cooked, or have stuff for your protein shakes ready. I love bone broth protein and almond milk with coconut oil and almond butter. And I can just blend that up in the blender and I can take that with me in a shaker cup anywhere I go. So just being prepared is really important. And maybe just finding some kind of low sugar, healthy snacks that you can eat. So if you are kind of craving something a little bit sweet, or just you don't want to have a full meal, then you have that available. And I share lots of those kind of recipes on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me on there. My Instagram handle is KristaElizabeth911. So you want to go for, if you're looking for those quick kind of snacks, maybe you can find like a low sugar protein bar of some kind. That will often help me just get rid of any sweet cravings, or there's lots of recipes on my Instagram that you can try. Next mistake is not combining your macros properly. So what you want to avoid is just having snacks that is just carbs or just sugar, like say a piece of fruit. You know, if you're in a rush and you want to grab an apple and have that as a snack, or a few cups of berries, that's fine. But what I find as a general rule, you don't want to have a meal that's only carbs. Like for example, starting the day with a fruit smoothie that's just like bananas and berries, you are gonna need to eat again in another hour. So what you want to do is you want to try and combine the macronutrients like protein, carbs, and fats, or protein and fat, or protein and carbs with a little bit of fat. So the highest satiety macronutrients are protein and fats. You want to make sure you're getting enough protein, try and have some protein at all of your meals, and then with some healthy fats, maybe a little bit of carbs. This is going to keep you fuller for longer, and you won't need to eat as often. So this is really important in the pursuit of really gaining traction with weight loss. Number 9, you don't have a clear vision of your weight loss goals. Really get clear with yourself. Why do you want to lose weight? Why do you want to get in incredible shape? Why? What's the reason? Get really clear on why you want to create this in your life. And then create a vision of that. Create a vision of yourself ahead of where you are today, having achieved the goal that you want, having achieved your dream body. I mean, you want to kind of create some emotional leverage on yourself. So imagine yourself just being able to go and buy the nice clothes that you want to wear that maybe you don't feel confident in now. Maybe you want to think about how confident you're going to feel in your bathing suit, or maybe you're going to feel confident about being able to attract the kind of partner that you want. Just imagining, just feeling amazing in your body with having achieved this goal, because the truth is, if you want to achieve truly sustainable weight loss, it is going to require you to make some lifestyle adjustments, and going to require you to be disciplined. And it does get easier, you know, you kind of get used to changing your lifestyle and to following a new one. But really, when you're having moments of weakness, it's really important to have a clear vision of what you want to create and to be able to tap into that and think about that, especially when you're faced with temptation. Like say you're out at a restaurant and your friends are all ordering pizza. Are you gonna just eat the pizza? Or are you gonna remember your vision and really dialogue with your mind in a way that, you know, it's clear that no, you know what's more important to me? Being my perfect weight, feeling confident in my clothes, feeling confident in my bikini. So that's where having a clear vision, and yeah, having a clear vision of what you want is really important. So take some time to do that, and then take some time to visualize that on a daily basis. I remember when I was getting ready for nationals, for a bikini competition, I think I was doing 2 hours of cardio a day, and I was imagining myself on stage taking the first place trophy. And you know, it worked. So that's my little tip. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, please comment below, and also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Also, I created a free healthy fat loss grocery list. So on that grocery list is going to be an outline of all of the anti-inflammatory foods. So that's gonna be a great resource for you next time you go to the grocery store. Now, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. In this video, we talked about 9 weight loss mistakes that you're making and how to get results and succeed. I love you guys, and I appreciate you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here. And also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.